Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to find a Binance deposit address. Open Binance, sign in, and go to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Click Deposit, choose the cryptocurrency you want, and select the correct network. Always double-check the network, especially between ERC20, BEP20, and others, to avoid lost funds. Copy the address or scan the QR code and paste it into the sending platform carefully before confirming the transfer. Start by opening Wallet and choosing Deposit, then select the crypto like BTC, ETH, or UST. Next, pick the network that matches your sender to prevent a failed transaction. Use the Copy button or scan the QR code to capture the address, then paste it into the sending platform and verify every character. For large transfers, send a small test amount first to confirm everything is correct and safe before sending the full sum. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep easy and keep food tidy when you're on the go, which is oddly satisfying after tackling crypto tasks. They're sturdy, spill-resistant, and save time when packing snacks during long verification sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Double-check the deposit address by confirming the first and last characters before sending anything. When moving significant sums, send a small test transfer to ensure the address and network are correct. Never share private keys and avoid public Wi-Fi or untrusted devices during transactions. Keep two-factor authentication enabled for extra security, and monitor the deposit status in Binance until the funds show as available in your wallet to ensure a smooth and secure process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.